feel terrible.
Terrible? Why?
Because somewhere a mama is missing. I need you guys to take care of this egg while I'm gone. I'd bring it with me, but I can't risk. Oh, where are you going? To find Mama.
She's leaving the egg with us?
Makes as much sense as wearing a net on her head.
Now remember, everyone, Blythe put us in charge of this egg, and that means it. Now, who wants it first?
I'll start. I'm already here.
Minka, what are you doing? You gotta stay still.
Ice cream guy.
Oh, but what do I do?
I'm thinking it's probably best if I take over. Whoa! That was good. Look what I hatched! Aww. Did he just call me? Hubble. I think I'll name you Hubble.
Russell, there's more to parenting than just giving him a name.
Hubble, do you want to know how to sleep?
Russell, I'm not sure that's the best idea.
Of course it is. Just do what I do. I'll have it deleted. Now, I know I didn't actually delete it, but you will. I believe in you, Hubble. If you put your mind to it, you can delete anything you want. Now go out there and fly.